Hey guys, so today we're just going for a walk. It is Sunday and we just think it's a relaxed day to go and take a walk. Right, B? Something like that. If my video, if my call this, we charge you $20,000, $50,000.
Yeah, blind.
One plant would even look like somewhere past 10 grand.
Chill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing there?
Got more deal. Got more. So, don't.
Video me funny act like a monkey. Ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ah.
Don't to over your son, dog. Be you one dead turtle. Be him dead, you know.
Yes, yeah, 250,000 stupid sign management shit. Come on. Come on. No, you know, nobody find me for that in a Shavai.
Be one dead turtle, literally
So,
dead.
how must the boy dead turtle? You not stand here till he start stink on them. And this is Wakanda. So what do you put them face here? Watch them in the scene something to survive and get back. I get one finish. I want to get the next one, friend.
That carry go now again, bro. I get people in a show, dog.
Period. Take the camera off me. I'm too good for all this. No paparazzi. No paparazzi. Okay, so all my people, all my vloggers, all my YouTubers, stay tuned for... Walk with me, guys. Walk with me. Walk with me. Oops. Alright, guys. So you've reached the end of Mona's world. Although Shav is still here. Wait. Yeah. Okay, so comment other videos one would like, places one would where we go with the expenses. And
Even if they're expensive.
Stop the lie. Cause me not pay 50 grand, I told you that 50 grand to pick people. thank you for making it to the end of my YouTube channel and all of that. Me have somewhere wrong a video phone here, but this is just the beginning. Peace out.